Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. If this is your first time at the channel, welcome. If not, why don't you hit that subscribe button, check out some of our other videos. Last video we showed you, we're showing you putting up these conveyors right here. So now we're on to the silos, so join us. We're going to show you how we install these silos right here. Come along. Welcome back, and just like that, 8 hours later, all 4 silos are in place. With some teamwork and a good plan, it all comes together. So thank you for watching Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. And like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button, maybe give us a thumbs up, help us out a little bit. Trying to get out there and show the world how we are building the world one bolt at a time. So you know what? I'm not going to drag up, but I'm going to roll on up out of here till next time when we start hanging head sections and working our way up to the top. Peace.